If when you saw these boxes in the beginning video, you thought, what are those? That is okay. I'm going to explain that to you right now. But first, I want to make sure I'm really clear about document 1. The document here is actually this image. You guys are familiar with how to source images, but I wanted to give you a reminder about this. If you need to source document 1 as your evidence, remember that you don't have to quote the evidence because it's an image. For a picture, you are going to say, in document 1, it shows, and then describe what you're seeing in the picture. In your explanation, that's where you can use a lot of this historical context to prove why this image shows that Emperor Qin was either a hero or a villain. Now, the second part that may seem a little bit confusing that I mentioned before is over here. For these boxes, all you're going to do is at the end, once you're done answering these 2 questions, you're going to click either on the red box if you think he was a villain, the green box if you think he was a hero, or the yellow box if you think he was a hero and a villain based on this document. So let's say that I think, okay, he built this beautiful mausoleum, this beautiful place where all of these structures lived and we still have them today. So I think he was a hero because of that. If that's the case, I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag this over and put it somewhere on my analysis so that when I quickly click through this later, I know, okay, yeah, this is a document I can use if I want to prove he was a hero. If you have questions on this, feel free to reach out to your teacher. Try watching the video again before you do, because that might clarify some things.